motivation, dreams. When things are down, how do I get back up?
Hey guys, my name's Kyle Kenrick, and in this channel you'll find anything and everything filmmaking. And, dreams, because that's my personality. And I wanted to show a lot more of who I am in this channel. Since I just got 100 subs, I feel like I should do that more and be more vulnerable, I guess. So that's what this whole thing's about. My passion for people's dreams. And this is gonna be a 3-part series, so this one's gonna be called The Path. Yeah, let's get started.
We all walk a path. All of them look a little different, but they all have the same people. Kind of. And there's 3 of those people. There's a person in front, in the middle, and in the back. In the back, behind everyone, is your past. Every experience that makes you who you are, and all the pain and love that you've experienced. In the middle, you have a vessel, the body, the person that experiences everything in the present time of where you are now, and observes and takes it in. But in the front, that's the most important person. And it's not really a technical person. It's not the future, it's belief. And if you set your belief to where you want your life to be, then you can lead yourself to any destination within that path. This person has to be in the front, because if not, you've already failed. You must walk knowing that this person will guide you to where you need to be. And that's because you believe in that guiding. You believe in his power, and that's yours. So that belief leads you to where you want to be. Your goals are in the front of your mind. If this person ever wavers, you could end up losing yourself away from that path. Lost. So remember that your past made you. Your body grounds and disciplines you, and your beliefs move you. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's more of a serious tone, but I really wanted to show more of my personality. It's partially because we're growing, but also because I feel like I should, and I feel like I need to project myself more. Really honest thing that I realized is to do that. And a part of me, a big part of me, probably the biggest part of me, is how much I love to thrive over people's passions. I love people hearing about people's dreams and helping them out. And the way I do that is using this medium, visual medium. And I do that because a lot of hardships I've been through were fixed, or not really fixed, but helped with by the visual medium. Either by TV shows, movies, YouTube. It's always been a visual medium that really helped me out, so I wanted to help everyone else out. I feel like I owe that to the people. But I wanted to show that side of me more. I wanted to show the dreamer of who I am. I always say dream on in the end of my videos. So I wanted to show that, why, and possibly other stuff. So I hope this helped motivate you doing something. I hope this helped with anything like that. And then I hope that this isn't too weird of content to be so different from my niche right now, but I actually want my niche in this whole YouTube spectrum to be a lot more like that, to add emotion to the camera. So hopefully you liked it. And if you did, keep watching. If you don't, I guess not. But if you liked it, just go ahead and like, subscribe, do what you do, and follow these links and all that stuff. I'm gonna try and brush past that because I want to keep the serious tone. So yeah, and if you want to create more video content like this, I have all my links for the stuff I use down below. No cost to you guys, of course. And of course, dream on.